fold. The center line is there. The center line is there. And bring it paper and fold. Sit properly. Sit properly. Yeah, little overlap like that. Done? Will be a little. She's tiny already. Yeah? I'll come to her later. Yeah? I'll finish with the end of this. Right? Okay. This one is we have done. Same with this side we will fold and overlap here. See? We should make sure it is coming neatly. That's all. Good. But it should come inside. One inside the other it should go. One interlock ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟರ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಥರ. ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಗು. See here. ಈ ಥರ. ಇದು ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಂತಾ? ಬಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Little. Your overlap is not enough. Little more overlap. Left side ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಡು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.